let's walk through this one, which is the companion dashboard for chapter 1. At the top, you've got the Darcy equation for radial flow, Q equal 0.00708 kH multiplied by pressure drop divided by mu times log of R sub E divided by R sub W plus scheme. Okay, so every number on this page traces back to that one line. On the left, you can see the input parameters. Drag the slides, sliders, permeability, net pay, viscosity, reservoir pressure, flowing bottomhole pressure, drainage radius, wellbore radius, scheme factor. Move any one, and the whole dashboard updates instantly. Of course, no submit button, as you can see here. Let me do it for viscosity, and you can see the liquid rate will be changed accordingly for permeability and also for pressures and drainage radius, and of course wellbore radius and scheme factor. Okay, so for this one on the right, the big number is your flow rate. Okay, so Q. Below it is the skin diagnostics box. Show the skin pressure drop, your apparent wellbore radius, and your flow efficiency, with a colored pill telling you if the well is damaged, undamaged, or stimulated. So if I change this one to the right, okay, so you can see that the well is damaged, and if I change it to the left, you can see that the well is stimulated. Okay, so as you can see, every number will be live here. You can hover anywhere on the curve. Here on the curve, as you can see, we have five curves here, and you can hover on any curve. A crosshair follows your mouse with the exact values. Okay, try this. Set the scheme to -5, for example. So let me just return it back to the original, and it's too negative. Okay, and then as you can see, the changes happens instantly for all